you prepare potatoes for your kids? You know, children enjoy potatoes so much. It could be fried potatoes with egg sauce, or boiled potatoes with egg sauce, or maybe use stew. In fact, on this my channel, I've dropped a recipe on boiled potatoes with carrot sauce. Guys, you need to watch that video if you haven't seen it. I will drop the link on the description box or on the comment section, so you go check it out. You really need to. For this video, I will be making potatoes porridge. I do this thing for my children and they so love it. I am still your girl, favorite chef Ella. You're welcome to my channel. If today is your first time, please hit the subscribe button and be part of this great family. I love you. So let us begin. To make this potato porridge, you just need your sweet potatoes. Smoked Titus fish, onion, some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, few scotch bonnet pepper. You need crayfish equally, red oil, salt. You don't need bouillon cube. If you're using crayfish, there is no need for bouillon cube, but I don't have crayfish powder. If you don't have ground crayfish or powdered crayfish, please skip crayfish. And little vegetable. First thing to do is to wash the potatoes, prepare everything. As you can see, slice the potatoes, slice the onion and tomatoes and pepper and put and start cooking. It doesn't take time, so you debone the fish. As you can see, I've already removed all the bones. Please wash your hand very well because you're going to use your hand to do this. Make sure you shred the fish, in fact, so that you'll be able to remove anything that looks like bone in the fish. Now I'm adding some red oil. This is about 5 minutes after. I'm adding some red oil, just little amount of red oil. Then the fish. This is the time you put everything. Like if you're using crayfish equally, you put the crayfish now, put the salt. So look at, I'm not even using up to 1 bouillon cube, I'm using half. So allow everything to cook together. So we'll come back to stir. This could serve as a lunch for your children or breakfast. So you don't need to be thinking too much like, what will my kids take to school today? see my ugu, very little. You can, if you have more than this, fine. I'm just using what is available at home. Guys, this is ready. Look at how good this is. I tell you, I even forgot that I was making this for children, to be honest with you. Like, when I dish out this food, like, it was very delicious. Like, I had to eat some. Me, that is, like I said, I'm watching my weight, but I had to eat some of this. I tell you the truth. So guys, please subscribe if today is your first time here, and give this video a thumbs up. Drop your comment for me equally, and stay safe. I love you guys. Bye bye.